Good morning, everybody. My lecture topic is drone warfare. It means that the using of drone technology in the war, alongside the conventional warfare system. For example, the drones like kamikaze drones, MQ-9B of the USA drones are the some of the example of drones. The advantages of drones are like that. First of all, it provides the aerial view from very long distance to the uh, two soldiers about the enemy hiding points and what are they currently do. And through the drones, it also provide the equipment. It also help the injured person to provide some medicines and the food. And it in the active role of the war, it also act like a eye to the soldiers who is hiding in the places. And in economical point of the view, it is very cheap as compared to the missiles and the fighter aircraft. For example, Ukraine is heavily relying on the drones to counter the Russia. They have launched drones onto the oil depot of the Russia and created havoc there. Some other some concern about the drone is like that the nations also made the air defense guns and the air defense systems to counter the drones. Apart from that, they are hacked by the cyber attackers, and and in from the strategic point of view, if a country want to be in a territory of the other nation, they have to rely on the foot soldier. The territory of a nation cannot be captured by the drones. So these are the some concern about the drones. At the last, drones are the evolving technology which provides economical advantage to the smaller nations, as well as it is very eh, 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 strategic for the countries who want to gain initial advantage in the warfare. Thank you.